Rock, paper, scissors, how to play. The object of this two-player game is to beat the symbol your opponent throws in a best of 3. There are 3 symbols: rock, a closed fist; paper, a flat hand palm down; and scissors, a fist with 2 fingers out. Symbols are always thrown on an open palm. To throw a symbol, the 2 players face each other and hold one hand open, palm up, and rest the other hand in a fist on top of it. One player asks if the other is ready. Once they are, that player says, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Both players hit their fist into their palm when each word is said. When the final word is said, shoot, on that hit, both players simultaneously make one of the symbols with their moving hand and hold it open on the palm. Rock beats scissors, scissors beats paper, and paper beats rock. If there is a tie, then you re-throw. If a player changes their symbol after both players have thrown, then they lose that throw. The first player to beat their opponent 2 times wins.